Hi students, welcome back again to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controllers. I am Professor Yao. Definition and history of the PLC. The keywords: acronym, personal computer, programmable logic controller, a user-friendly microprocessor-based specialized computer, carry out control functions, to monitor crucial process parameters, adjust process operation, PLC literate, a PLC operator, ladder diagrams, computer machine language. Originally, the PLC was represented by the acronym PC. There was some confusion with using the acronym commonly accepted to represent personal computer. Therefore, PLC is now understood to mean programmable logic controller. A PLC is a user-friendly microprocessor-based specialized computer that carry out control functions of many types and levels of complexity. Its purpose is to monitor crucial process parameters and adjust process operation accordingly. It can be programmed, controlled, and operated by a person unskilled in operating computers, but who is PLC literate. Essentially, a PLC operator draws lines and devices of ladder diagrams with a keyboard onto a display screen. The result drawing is converted into computer machine language and run as a user program. Definition of the PLC. The keywords: known as discrete and digital output, analog, micro PLC, narrow PLC. A PLC is a user-friendly microprocessor-based specialized computer that carries out control functions of many types and levels of complexity. Its purpose is to monitor crucial process parameters and adjust process operations accordingly. It can be programmed, controlled, and operated by a person unskilled in operating computers, but who is PLC literate. Essentially, a PLC operator draws lines and devices of ladder diagrams with a keyboard onto a display screen. The resulting drawing is converted into computer machine languages and run as a user program. The PLC will operate any system that has output devices that go on and off, known as discrete or digital outputs. It can also operate any system with variable outputs, analog outputs. The PLC can operate it on the input side by on-off devices, discrete or digital, or by variable analog input devices. The size of PLC is getting smaller. The micro PLCs or narrow PLCs with 16 or fewer I/O are spreading. Some can fit into your short pocket. History of the PLC. The keywords: conventional computers, automotive plant. The model change over time. Time consuming. Relay and control panels. A panel full of wires, relays, timers, and other components. The first PLC system evolved from conventional computers in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Primarily, the first PLC were installed primarily in automotive plants. In the past, the auto plants usually had to be shut down for up to a month as the model changeover time. One of the major time-consuming changeover procedures had been the wiring of new or revised relay and control panels. The PLC programming procedure replaced the rewiring of a panel full of wires, relays, timers, and other components. The PLC helped reduce changeover time to a matter of few days. This is the relay panel for logic control. This is the PLC for logic control. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Course Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.